Welcome back to the restoration wing here at Double Clutch. This week, Carl and his team have already discovered a major issue with the 55 Buick.
Okay, guys. This thing unloaded. We're unloading the parts car that came along with the Buick Special that we got. It's a four-door car, not a two-door car, but it's very valuable for parts. I'm sure along the way we'll be scavenging a lot of pieces off of this car. The four-door car looks a little rough, but don't let that deceive you. The parts value of something like that is just incredible. Tip of the day, when you find the car you want to build, try to find a donor car. These cars are invaluable. They're an invaluable part source for what you're doing. You're going to need pieces. Your car typically will have something that's bad. Sometimes these cars, like rusted pieces, they're in great shape. Salvage yards, scour salvage yards near your area. Try to find a car like yours. Most salvage yards will have four-door cars. These cars are worth a lot of money in parts that you could put on your car. The fenders, chrome pieces, a lot of them interchanged. There's a lot of stuff here that you can use. It's been great for us. It's a good tip. We've run into a problem. The transmission we got with the 55 Buick has some internal damage. The stator shaft and this part of the torque converter, a bushing was left out between them, which has damaged the end of the shaft and the internal part of the converter. The transmission we got with the 55 Buick was damaged internally, so we called Scotty. Scotty said he would give us another trans, but that's next week. We can't wait that long. So we brought the parts car in. We're going to pull the trans out of it, and hopefully it's good. Let's drop it down, guys. Is it balanced? Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Oh!
You all right? Hold tight. You okay?
You all right?
Where'd it get you at?
Well, my hand was kind of under when you lift and teeter-totter backwards.
Now we have the transmission out of the parts car. I've got Hank and George cleaning it up. The transmission was pretty nasty. We're trying to get it down to where we can break it down and see if it's going to be any good. Hopefully it is.
Trying to gather all the parts together, calling all the internet contacts that I've made over the last couple of months, gearing up for this 55 restoration. And then we're going to have order some of the parts today. I've got to get a list together of what we need, and then Carl's going to okay it. I'll go ahead and get the old plastic out and start ordering parts.
Thanks for joining us here at Double Clutch. Be sure to check out our next drop, coming on Monday.